So this is your project title. Okay. Zero-day intrusion detection in VIOV using generative adversarial network. So which I already explained you. So in this we are having the step will be first data collection. Okay. On that data collection we are having these are all the labels. Okay. And then the first methodology will be data preparation. We have to collect the data, and then the second step will be we have to apply training model. So that training model will be LSTM with bilateral LSTM and then evaluation metrics. So according to the same steps, okay, we are doing here the same implementation part. You can see here. First, on the upload, we will upload the data set and we will do pre-processing. After training, LSTM, bilateral LSTM training process will be done and we will do the evaluation metrics. After that, we will do the prediction. Okay. So, I just, first we have to do registration. Okay. So, I'm registering here. So, after registration, so the registration done successfully, and here we are login. So on login, there will be a dashboard. That dashboard may explain you that the workflow overview. So the uploading should be CSV or Excel. Then we are doing pre-processing step. On that, we are balancing by using generative adversarial network. And then we are applying LSTM with bilateral LSTM. We are doing evaluation performance metrics and prediction. This what the workflow overview. Okay. So here you can do upload option. I can choose. So this is the data. Okay. So I uploaded the data and I will do pre-processing. So the pre-processing step is on process. Once it is done, it will tell. Data pre-processing successfully. Training sample will be 96 and testing sample will be 25. So now I am going to do training process. Data pre-processing successfully completed. Okay. So on data balancing, I am going to apply. These are all the steps. So what are all the steps? First, I am doing data balancing by using generative adversarial network, and then I am doing model training by using LSTM and bi-LSTM architecture. And then if it is giving overfit, it will be early stop and it will process adaptive learning rate also. So the training is on process. Once the training is over, we are getting those graphs and it giving you what are all the class information, that is the label which we are having. Okay, so this what I shown you already on the PDF also. You can see in the PDF also I'm having the same 6 classes. Here also the same classes. So now we can go for the prediction. So if I upload the CSV file, so this will be the data set I had trained. For the testing, I'm having this data set. So I just uploaded. And if we do prediction, it will summary. Total sample will be 27. All classes will be belongs to dots. Okay. And we can see these are all the data set I'm having. Okay. So I'm just checking with another data set. So if I do prediction, so here also I'm having 27 samples. Okay, I'm having class distribution with DOS attacks. I upload, I think so, same data set. Now I will upload different data set and I will do prediction. You can see here I'm having 122 samples. On that, what are all the classes has been. Okay, so this much. So nearly for the snooping GAS, I'm having 24. So nearly 27 percentage. So you can see here, this will be the, So this will be the label which is already available on the data set. This will be the predicted class. Okay. It is most probably similar. Okay. So you have the option to download the prediction file. So you can see here prediction class. So I downloaded that data set. This is the label which is already available. This predicted class has been created while the prediction is happened. So you can see it's most probably similar only. So it's predicted a correct classification. Okay. So this is how. So next we will log out. So this is how we implemented this project.